started with the Armed Forces of the Philippines Museum, from the Philippine Navy to PNP to Philippine Air Force and the AFP. Actually, we also have the NBI, the Kapuram Museum. But this one is unique. This is the third one because I had the PNP Conservative Museum and then the Holographic Museum. And now this is the Museum of the Manila's Finest. Unique because this is the first ever working museum. Because they asked of me to come up with something that would i-represent ko sa mga tao kung ano yung paano hinubog ng kasaysayan yung Police Maynila. Actually, pangarap po ito ng District Director. Actually, sinakatuparan niya yung pangarap niya by actually asking me to help. Sa akin naman, hindi naman naging mahirap kasi remember, this is a 125 years old historical edifice. So, mas madaling gawin. Yes, please, pasyal kayo dito. Welcome kayo dito sa Museum of the Manila's Finest, nandito sa Manila Police District. Ma-experience niyo rito yung kapag pasok niyo pa lang, you will see the combination of the storied past. You will experience that. And at the same time, you will see our men in uniform, yung mga police natin na nagtatrabaho. So, makikita mo yung challenge sa kanila, yung inspiration sa kanila kung ano dapat yung pagkakilanlan nila dito sa Museum of the Manila's Finest.